Hollywood here, Dave. Gonna go over a really cool product tonight from Jmac Customs. And this, my friends, is the AKM. It is an M4 stock adapter. And it is now compatible with an AK, and just not any AK, a milled AK. This is an Arsenal Sam7r. You have to remove the lower tang. It takes a little bit of drilling out these rivets right here. It's not that hard. I used a drill, and then I just use a Dremel tool to clean up and make it a little bit easier. But the lower tang is already removed. Now the way to install this is very, very easy. When you get this from Jmac, you'll have the adapter. And then it comes with two anchors. This is the lower anchor. There's the rivet holes. 2 rivet screws. Then you'll have the upper anchor. Okay? And then you will have your anchor screws. 2 different sizes. The shorter one is for the upper. The longer one is for the lower. I do not know bit sizes. I'm sorry, guys. So you'll need a little bit and a big bit. Okay, just two different size bits, that's it, real easy. And then the last tool that I have is my armorer's wrench to go ahead and fasten that M4 stock nice and secure. Also have the end plate. So let's go ahead with the installation. First thing we're gonna do, since we have the lower tang removed, you're gonna get the lower anchor. That's this bad boy right here. That's the lower anchor. Anchor screws. A little bit. So that is fastened. Then we're gonna go ahead with our other one. Driver. Boomsy. All right, so we are done with the little bit. There's the lower anchor, fastened by the rivet screws. Now you're gonna take the actual M4 stock adapter, the AKM, and there's a space right here where the upper tang is gonna go over, and then you see the 2 anchor bolt holes. It's gonna fit up there perfect, okay? So the lower one is already lined up with the lower anchor, longer bolt. All right, all right, all right. That is the lower bolt for the lower anchor. And so the upper anchor is this piece right here. And this fits right up in here, and it's already cut out, and the shaved end is going to be facing out, and it fits up in here perfectly. So you're just going to take it, get your bolt ready. So it will fit up in here nice. You'll kind of feel it, it'll set in. Hang on. So boom, so it's set in right there. And then you just take, once you get it lined up, you just take your other hand, run that bolt through the hole. It lines up, cinches in there perfectly. And go ahead and give it a nice tight turn. All right, that is good. We do the bottom one again. Just torque everything in there nice and snug, not too hard, so that's perfect. So the adapter is attached. As you can see, that upper tang misses it, doesn't even touch it. Inside here are our 2 anchors. So you have the upper one and then the lower one's down there more. There's your upper one. So then next thing you're gonna do, get your butt plate. Not quite done with you. All right, so we got a butt plate. Now, this is just to line this up. But once you get this here, there, I gotta move that butt plate and then just let this spin. Because it has that channel in there. It doesn't let it rotate. A lot of you guys will have different, you'll have just the buffer tube. This is a little bit more of a special stock where it comes all, it's a special buffer tube for it. So I have to do it this way. It's a little bit different. It may look a little bit funky. And cinch my castle nut up like so. Then take my armorer's wrench. Bada bing, bada boom. Completely installed. I have already run this at the range. It runs fine. It's perfect. It does not move. It is very sturdy, solid, very, very well built. God, dude. With everything, function check.